I don't know about most people, but I have a lot of friends on dating apps. And all my friends are constantly complaining about how they're so sick of swiping, and not being able to find anyone that they're attracted to. But there's this new dating app called Iris, and it's honestly unlike any other dating app. It starts with finding someone who you're mutually attracted to. So it's really cool because it uses artificial intelligence and it's going to show you a bunch of stock photos. And then you rate those stock photos based on how attractive you think the person is. As you progress through the training too, you're going to see more and more attractive photos because the artificial intelligence knows which kind of facial features you like. All my friends did the training and it was so weird because like every single time they progressed in the training, they kept seeing people they thought were more and more attractive. At first, we were all really skeptical, but their results were really accurate. And they preferred it so much more because now that the artificial intelligence knows what facial features they prefer, they can pair them with people who look like that. And anyone else with Iris went through the same exact thing, so you're only going to be paired with someone who you're mutually attracted to. I honestly think so many people would be so surprised if they did the training and saw how well the artificial intelligence works. So many of my friends are so excited to try it already, so go click the link in my bio and see how well it works for yourself.